Custom attributes are properties that you can define to describe assets, extending the meaning of an asset beyond what you can define with the standard attributes. Vidismo by default has certain attributes that are associated with media on the portal. However, users can also customize attributes to improve search visibility and metadata. In this video, we will look at managing user-generated and system-generated custom attributes in Vidismo. Custom attributes can be marked as mandatory for all the content available in media management, or can be specified to audio, documents, images, presentation, quiz, surveys, and videos. Additionally, these attributes help enhance search and appear as filters when searching for media. From the portal's homepage, click on the hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen, and select Portal Settings under Admin. From the Portal Settings, expand the Library tab and select the Custom Attributes. To add a new attribute, click on the Add Attribute on the top right-hand corner and a new pop-up will appear. The Add Attribute pop-up window loads to allow you to add various types of custom fields. Enter an appropriate name for your custom attribute. Select the field type as text, drop-down, or date. A text field is a basic text control that enables the user to type a small amount of text. While when adding a date field, calendars appear to allow from and to dates to be selected. The drop-down field provides users several choices to select. For each choice, enter a comma-separated value to appear as the drop-down list. Check the mandatory box to make sure that users cannot move forward without filling out this custom attribute field. Selecting the Display with Media checkbox will have this field displayed with your media and enhance the search function. The next option allows you to search for your media using your custom attribute to explore media easily. The next option allows your custom attributes to be shown in faceted search. It allows users to narrow down search results by applying filters based on faceted classifications of the content. From the media types, select the attribute listed with all the video types or selectively choose from the ones listed. Once you are done, click on the Save Changes. To view the recently added custom attributes, navigate to the Media Manager and select any media file. Now select the Custom Attributes tab in Media Settings. While on the Media Library, click on the Filter icon to bring up the filters on the left-hand side. Click on Filter by to list available filters. Among the available filters, the custom attributes will be listed to further filter the search results. To edit the custom attribute, hover over the attribute to display the Edit, Delete and Rearrange icons. Click on the Edit icon to open the attribute in edit mode. Now, make changes to the attribute as required and click on Save. A brief notification will be displayed on the top right-hand corner of the screen informing the user about the successful operation. To delete an attribute, hover over the attribute to display the delete icon. Click on the delete icon, and a pop-up window will appear for confirmation. Click on Delete to delete the custom attribute. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about Vidismo. Stay tuned until next time.